Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making some steak, potato, and some sweet bell pepper. First thing I do, I put a pot of water on fire and throw some salt in it. Let it boil. I got 3 potatoes and I'm going to wash them very good. Make sure you wash them very good. Then I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to poke my potato like so. After I poke my potatoes, I'm going to go over here to the pot. It's boiling already. And I'm going to put my potatoes in the pot with boiling water for 10 minutes. So now my potato is boiling for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wash my steak and get it ready to sear. So to wash my steak, first thing I do, I throw some vinegar over my steak and I'm going to wash my steak. Now I'm going to pot dry my steak. I put back my steak. There's some pepper, little pepper, and a little salt. So now my pot is on the stove. I'm going to pour some oil in my pot. So now that my oil is hot, I'm going to sear the steaks 1 to 2 minutes per side. Turn in my steak. Wow, looking good. Turn them.
Great.
Yeah.
I'm hungry already.
So it's 10 minutes. My potatoes are done. I'm going to take them out, put them in a pot. And let it cool for a while. So while my steak is searing, I'm going to cut up some peppers. I'm going to put my oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I put it on 400. Yeah, my oven's on 400. So I'm going to get my steak ready. My steak is seared and looks perfect. Stoves off, yes. Wow.
So it goes in the oven, right, Dad?
Of course, my son. It's gonna go in the oven.
Okay. I'm excited.
Now that the potatoes are cool, I'm gonna throw some olive oil on the potatoes, and a little salt,
Yeah.
little pepper. I'm gonna toss them.
Okay.
Next step is we're gonna get some foil paper. We're gonna get some foil paper. And we're gonna get the potato. We're gonna wrap them very tightly. Like so.
Okay.
Very tightly. That's one. We're gonna wrap the next one like so. very tightly. We're gonna grab this pot. We're gonna pour a little oil at the bottom, like so. So we're gonna get our potatoes, and we're gonna put our potatoes like so.
Okay. Wow.
Now get the pot with the seared steaks, and I'm gonna just place them just like so. Just like so. Place them just like so. After doing that, I'm gonna get the green peppers, put them all around my steak like so. Wow, looking good, eh?
Yeah.
Looking good,
Can't wait
looking
to
good.
eat.
Don't worry, you'll be eating soon. And I'm sure you're gonna want some more of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna get some paprika, and I'm gonna sprinkle like so. I'm gonna get some thyme. I'm just gonna put some thyme like so. I'm gonna get some chopped onion, and I'm just gonna place it like that, like so. Chopped onion, like so. Wow, smells so good.
Yeah.
Chopped onion, like so. Chopped onions, just like so. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. Yeah. Yeah. Then I go back to the pot where I sear. Remember I sear the steak? So all the gravy that I sear the steak with, I'm gonna just pour it a little bit over the steaks, just like that. Yeah. Wow.
It looks very colorful and healthy.
Yeah. Now my stove is ready.
Okay.
And 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's ready to go.
So my oven is on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put steak, potato, everything in the oven for 20 minutes.
Wait, Dad, you forgot the rosemary, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Okay, we gotta take this out again fast, and we're gonna put the rosemary in.
Okay. Yeah, my favorite is rosemary. Don't
Yeah. So now we get the rosemary, and we put it in like so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even now I'm ready to eat, but I know it's not.
I almost forgot.
Yeah.
Rosemary just like that, just like so, all over them steaks.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for 20 minutes.
For 20 minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
And if you want a well done steak, like well done, you could make it stay a little bit longer if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the real thing now. Here we go. This is the real thing. Going in the oven for 20 minutes and 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Dad, it's ready.
Okay, so after 20 minutes, let's check and see what's going on here. Wow. Looking good.
Great.
Looking good.
Oh my gosh, Dad, you're almost done already. How is it?
Delicious. I hope you all learned something. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
See you.